In this video, I will show how to circle invalid data in Excel. So we have this sample data and click on this data tab. Here underneath data tools, click on data validation criteria. So you can select any criteria. I will select whole number, and in the data you can select options. For example, I will select this between, and I need numbers like 50 to 75. So, and other data will be underneath 50 or maximum 75 will be invalid. Click on OK. Now again click here, circle invalid data. So these are my true data and this circled data is invalid. So thanks for watching guys. Comment on this video useful for you.